Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening for Better Health. This is Henry B. 723 coming to you from my kitchen garden today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Things are going beautifully here, and I wanted to share just how beautifully things have been going. In January, I did a video and I brought you along with me on that video. In that video, I planted some things, and the date on that video was about January the 16th of this year. I planted 3 different types of lettuce, sorrel. We also did some Swiss chard, and we did some pak choy. So those are the things that I've planted already this year, and it's only the middle of February, so there's a lot more to come. But I wanted to bring you up to date as to the status of something that we planted in January. This is the status of 2 types of lettuce, 2 out of the 3 that I planted in January. This side is the Butter Crunch lettuce. This side is the Merlot lettuce. Look at the color on that lettuce. Is that gorgeous or what? So I'm really pleased that they have grown so well and so quickly. Today I'm going to do my first cut and come again harvest from these lettuces, and I wanted to take you along with me. The best part about planting your vegetables is that if you do things well, you'll get a harvest. Now, how much of a harvest you'll get depends on a lot of extraneous factors, but the harvest is the best part because you get to reap the rewards of your efforts. So today I am going to cut some of these for salad, and I'm going to start over here with this Merlot lettuce. Now, it's been a very short period of time because, as I said, these were planted January the 16th, and today is February the 19th. So it's been about 5 weeks. And that's not a long time to go from a seed to something you can actually eat. So we're gonna cut some of this today to go into my salad. With the cut and come again method, you just take some scissors and you clip it close to the bottom of the plant so that you have your stem, and there's still a little bit of stem that's left at the bottom. And after you do your cuttings, the plant will continue to grow, because when you do your cut and come again, you're not going to take the roots. You're just going to take what you need for that particular meal that you're planning, and then you're going to leave the rest of it to continue to grow so that when you get hungry again, there's something to come cut. So I'm just using a set of really small, sharp scissors that I have, and we're gonna put these in here. Ooh. And as you can see, these are good sized leaves for it to be just 5 weeks. So I'm gonna take a couple more of these Merlot lettuce leaves. Let's get one from the other plant here. I like to mix my lettuces because it gives the salad a bounty of flavor when you have more than one type of lettuce in it. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. now I'm going to cut a little bit of this butter crunch lettuce. And the butter crunch lettuce is all green. It's an open lettuce, not like some types of lettuces that have a tight head to it. The butter crunch lettuce has more of an open leaf system where it's wide and long. I'll show you another one. So the butter crunch lettuce is one of my favorites too. But my very favorite is the Merlot, as you can tell because I cut that one first. So I am very happy to be able to harvest some of these. Now, when I make my salad, I am also going to put some other things in it that I haven't grown yet. I'm going to put some tomatoes in it. I'm going to start my tomatoes soon. I haven't started my tomatoes yet, but I will be starting tomatoes soon. But for my salad today, I have some tomatoes that I got from the grocery store that I'm going to use when I make this salad. And I also have some croutons that I'm going to put in it. So it's going to be a Caesar type salad. I do have some Caesar dressing that's going to go in here. And I got Caesar dressing. So that's what I am cutting for my salad today. I always rinse my lettuce or anything from the garden. I always rinse it before I eat it. Even though these have been indoors, the handling from transplanting and moving it around, there has been some little bits of dirt that got on the leaves just in normal handling. And so I always rinse my food first. It doesn't actually need a scrub, but I do rinse it first. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's even beautiful wet. Okay, so those are rinsed. And it doesn't take much to fill up your salad bowl. And I'm gonna get some croutons to go in it. The seasoned croutons. It's wonderful because I actually get to do a taste test with everybody. We'll do ranch dressing today. So how about where you are? Are you harvesting from your garden if you have one? Have you started anything in your garden at this point? If so, what have you started? Put it in the comments below what you've started or what you plan to start. The very best food, in my opinion, is is the food that we can actually grow ourselves. Because I grew this, I know that there are no contaminants in it, like there could be if I had bought it from the grocery store. And so I'm pleased that this is very healthy. And I am going to cut this and give it a taste test. And I'll let you know how it goes. Now, another thing too, this lettuce is so fresh. In the store, you would not get lettuce this fresh. You don't know exactly when the lettuce in the store was grown. You don't know how far they had to ship it to get it to the store. So even though the lettuce may look good to us when we go to the store to buy it, that doesn't mean that it's necessarily fresh. And it definitely is not as fresh as this lettuce that you just saw me cut. So the taste of fresh lettuce is phenomenal. Let's see about this one. Oh, it's good. I wish you were here with me so that I could actually share this with you. But this is part of the joy of growing your own groceries. That's great. And so, I have started a playlist. Check out my playlist on my YouTube channel. It's called How to Grow Lettuce from Seed. And check it out. There are several videos that shows exactly what I did to get from seed to this harvest. And I hope that those videos bring you joy. I hope it gives you inspiration to go ahead and grow your own lettuce so that you can have some phenomenal fresh lettuce for yourself and your family. Until next time, this is Henry B 723. Have a wonderful day. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.